Hello, families. Good morning. I just also wanted to make this little video to teach you a way to use Google Docs to upload any type of work that you need to either write something and submit it or anything like that. So that could be used for sight word work. You could do it if you need to do some type of reading response where they have to write something down or something that's not a PDF. So I'll just scroll down to one of the sight word assignments here. Okay, so let's click on this one. So you just go find the assignment. Oops, sorry. View assignment. Then over here where it says add or create, you click that. Then you'll have a drop down here. Click on docs. Then it's creating one for you. See here? Then it will open up this page. So if you start typing some of the words, I'll just type some of the words that we've had over the last few weeks. None, nothing, wood. Then you can kind of play around with it. If you select all of them, you can make it like a large font. You can change the style of font like that. You can click here to change the color of it. Purple, of course. Center it. Whatever you want to do to show sight words or any other thing that you have to type in, you can kind of play around with it. So then when you're done, you click turn in. Click turn in. And that's it. So you're done. That's how quick and easy it is. Also, if there's something, like I said, if there's something for reading maybe that you have to write or submit something, and you could also type something in there and then submit. So that's it. Play around with it and see what type of functions you want to use out of it. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.